Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. So Ether is moving as anticipated higher in line with our primary wave count. I have, however, as a response to the direct move, I have adjusted the micro count a little bit, which fits better now. But again, nothing really happened that invalidated the other count. This, however, I think is the better micro count. I mentioned to you in the last few days already that I might change the micro a little bit depending on how the move looks like. And yeah, the primary scenario that we discussed over recent weeks has come true. We have indeed made a new high. We wanted to see another extension. Doesn't matter which support area you used to add a position, either down here, this is where I bought, here, this is where I bought as well, got stopped out, but that doesn't matter, I bought down here as well. Or this one, yeah, you would now be in profit. This looks like it has a little bit more room to go. We talked about the daily time frame in today's video, in the first video. By the way, it's amazing that the market gives us a little bit of action on Saturday. I already mentioned yesterday that the Friday was actually a pretty good day. And you can see on the daily time frame now that we have made a new 2023 high. Please be aware of the 2,250 level, the level that we discussed earlier today. It is the 61.8 extension level and a key target for wave 1 of the larger degree third wave. We should then get a pullback in wave 2 at some point. This wave 1 is probably still going. I will have to adjust the wave 2 support area as long as we go higher. I have no problem with the price going even above 2,250, but above 2,530, I would get a little bit concerned about the length of the wave 1. But we are not even there, okay? So at the moment, 2,250 would be ideal. I will adjust the support area and keep you updated, of course. But remember what we talked about. We talked about if we get above this 2023 high, it might generate some FOMO. And indeed, Ether has started to outperform Bitcoin a little bit. Be aware that there is not much resistance here structurally until we get to 3,500. Now, I'm not suggesting we get there in a straight line, but it could be that any pullback might be shallow, things like that. Please be aware of that. On the shorter time frame here, yeah, I mean, Ether produced probably off this wave 4 low that was formed on the 17th of November, an A wave to the upside. I see this more like a diagonal pattern now. So I'm only watching for an ABC structure instead of a whole 5-wave move. However, the C wave should be a 5-wave move. And the move that we've seen today looks like a third wave in the C wave. And I have added here the key fib levels that are relevant for a C wave. So 2,220. Again, be aware of that 2,250 level, which is sort of here as well. Then 2,280 and 2,377. These are definitely the next levels to watch. If we just talk about that third wave here, then we can also add fib levels in addition. And the third might get us to the area between 2,230 to 2,280. So there's good confluence there. We can still focus on higher, especially against that last swing low. So as long as the $2,072 level is holding and we don't break back below it, the focus can be on higher. We've made a new 2023 low. We've been talking about this extension higher for many weeks. And it seems like, yeah, the price is following the suggested wave count of a wave 5 of an even larger degree, wave 1. There is not much more to add. I think I gave you the key next targets. I highlighted to you as well which level needs to hold. So what you need to understand is a break below 2072 would be an early indication that some kind of a top has been made and that this wave 2 pullback that I talked about might be starting. But at the moment, it looks like we push a little higher. because in this C wave, it looks like we formed a small 5-wave move up here into yesterday's high. The pullback was very shallow, this wave 2, and therefore it looks like that this third wave is currently unfolding. Yeah? And this has a little bit more room to go. Okay, that's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There you can find additional content every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.